I think our results came out a week ahead, and it was altogether a surprise when the notification pops up as ICMA results. So yeah, it was very scary and anxious time to open that email. But once I see that pass the 4 letters, it makes me go jump all together out of happiness.
बोलो कहाँ से आएगा फिर ऐसा inspiration with Miles education knowledge is the weapon
My name is Akanksha Jhawar, and I have recently cleared my CMA examinations, and I have done my bachelor's in commerce, and I'm from Hyderabad. Working and studying CMA was been possible as firstly it was a work from home scenario. So once I am done with my work, the next thing to do is to prepare for CMA. And as we have the week off, that is the Saturday and Sunday, so grabbing those 2 days completely for studying would be very helpful. I have attended quite a few webinars. There, Varun Jain is out with the household examples, the way we need to prepare, and also being at the place where we are just viewing the videos and all. I think webinar is a place where we can connect with various different people, and just making it equivalent to a physical class. I think that is the best thing to do. Tips, I would say, first would be going through the videos, then going through the concept through the Miles book, and third step would be practicing the test bank, which makes you understand what level of questions are we tested on, how well we have understood the concept, and the areas we need to brush up again. CMA matlab Miles.